able to display your shop properly inside the chatbot, it is also important that you will be able to set up your business details. To do this, you can go to the e-commerce tab, go towards the settings tab, and from here you will be able to set up your store details, like your store name, contact email, contact phone, the industry, and if you press this you will get a drop-down with all kinds of industry topics. You will also be able to enter your store address, the shipping method, and the opening hours. If we scroll all the way down, you will also see the different kinds of payment methods that you can insert. If we press the payment method itself, you will see all available options. At this moment in time, it's credit card with Stripe, Alipay with Stripe, WeChat Pay with Stripe, cash on delivery, and PayPal. You'll also be able to set up your currency and your tax percentage. All the way at the bottom, you will also be able to set up your standards and formats. So standards and formats are used to generate the order ID format. So if you want to have certain prefixes or suffixes, then you will be able to insert that here and it will be added towards the order ID. Just press save. And all your store data has now been saved and you can properly use your store inside of your chatbot.